Hello and welcome. We have with us Indian cricketer ton legend Irfan Pathan right now. He's in Goa for World T20 Pro League, which is Legends League, which is happening right now at Verna. We have very short time with him because he's busy. Today he's playing a match. So first of all the best for your match.
Thank you so much.
So tell us something about Goa. How do you feel being in Goa? And usually people don't come to play in Goa; they come to holiday in Goa.
Yeah, either holiday or some events what we have. We come here for wonderful time. Whenever we have come here, it's Goa is a place. It feels like it just takes you in very nicely. Some of the nice places are there as well. Even the city is very nice. Not only the beaches. You have a great time. Family always have a great time as well. I was here a couple of months ago for an event where my kids loved it. We had some posted a video as well where my son is playing cricket right near the waterfront. So it was very good. So Goa is always fun, and now to play cricket here, especially apart from playing for India, because I've come here playing for India, did really well, and then after many years coming here playing for Delhi team in legend matches with the retired players. It's wonderful, great experience. But the excitement of the fans who were at the stadium was wonderful to see. Was very heartening to see.
Graduating from a cricketing, player to a legend, how do you feel that feeling being a legend right now?
See, I feel there is only one legend in cricket, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone else is, they come, they did well, they are good players. But when people give you respect and, the fans give you respect is always nice. And I always believe that when fans are giving you respect, you need to give them back as well something. But it's always good to get some love.
How do you feel being off the field? You're also commentary, into
Yeah.
cricket commentary.
Yeah. Oh, I absolutely love it. We still connected with cricket, either with coaching. We have academies as well, me and my brother. And at the same time, I do commentary full time. So, nothing better. Nothing better being connected to the game every day. Think about the game every day. You can pass on the message as well to the younger players. I think that's wonderful. That's actually, I feel quite lucky to be associated with the game even after the retirement.
Sometimes do you even feel ki while giving a commentary, if I was there, I should have done this. Oh God, why are they playing like this?
No, that's a wrong way to think as a commentator. As a commentator, you always have to, see it and call it as it is. It is very important because you can't think that if I was there, I could have done it better. If you think like that, you're going in a wrong direction because cricket changes, time changes. These guys when they're playing live cricket, it's tough. They have a lot of pressure. To actually that I could have done it better. It's disrespectful to the guys who are playing. So I never think like that. I always make sure that to give respect all the players. Yes, I do call it as it is. I always believe in that. I always believe in never shy away from my comments. Never shy away from I see and I call it. But at the same time, you need to have that kind of respect towards players to think that obviously they're doing better than anyone else who's not playing at the moment.
This event is happening a fortnight ahead of the T20 World Cup.
Yeah.
First of all, you were man of the match in 2007
Yes.
T20 World Cup when we won.
Yeah.
Last year also we won the World Cup. What are the
2024,
tips for the current team right now? Do you think that they will be able to retain this cup?
See, this team doesn't require many tips because this team is very, very good. Excellent team. This is the team. This is Indian T20 team. Who has a really good coach in Gautam Gambhir, who has a really good captain in Surya Kumar Yadav. They have excellent players in Bumrah and, Abhishek Sharma is our number one batter in the world. And you have Varun Chakravarti, who's actually top of the tree as well when it comes to bowling and bowling in different conditions. So we have so many match winners. So they don't need tips, but they might need a caution that when the pressure comes, when the knockout comes, make sure that you are ready to play different role. If you are ready to play different role than what you've been doing, and if you are ready to adjust, you will win the World Cup. So that's the only thing I'll say. Apart from that, no tips for them because they are very good.
After recent New Zealand's match with India, we have seen a lot of positive comments coming from you about Indian cricket team and especially the players.
Yeah, and not only that. I've been saying this T20 team been doing really well since the last T20 World Cup as well. Younger players generally when they come in, they take time to do really well. But in T20 cricket it hasn't happened. We have seen Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, these guys have retired. But the guys who have come in and played their role, like Abhishek Sharma has come in and actually started doing really well, and he suddenly became the number one T20 batter in the world. So it's not easy. It doesn't happen every day. So, I've been very excited about this T20 team. More than, the praise. I only believe that, yes, I just praise them at the right time, because you need to back your team as well. You need to back India when it comes to, bigger stage. So that's why, just at the right time, you need to give them the push of the positivity from everywhere it's needed. So, and they're playing really well as well.
Usually now when you are playing a role of a legend, there has to be someone who should continue with your legacy. We have seen Yuvraj Singh training, they eventually went to become good cricketers. Your legacy, in whom we can see your legacy?
Look, as far as, giving contribution to the young cricketers, it's always there. Sometimes, some cricketers, they like to, come out there in public and support it. And sometimes, I believe that I need to be behind the camera and support the guys, and which I have done. I was a mentor of Jammu Kashmir cricket as well. Even now you see 5-6 guys playing for IPL, some played for India as well. But that support never stops. We always keep supporting the youngsters, and sometimes we keep it away from the limelight.
So this is a general question. When you announce that I am going to retire from cricket, and when you decide that I want to go into retire, how difficult that point is, when you have actually a good career ahead, and then I know I can still play, but then you have to say, okay, just to let it go.
Yes, it's the toughest decision of your life. For anyone, not only for me, but for any sportsman who has to go to another profession or next stages of the life after retirement. It's a tough one. For me, it took a year or two to decide that, because I remember when I was in 2016, I was the highest wicket taker in domestic cricket in Mushtaq Ali, one of the highest wicket taker and one of the highest scorer with a solid strike rate. So I was in top category in both bowling and batting. But then the selectors had decided they needed to, look at someone else. So at that time you start thinking that you want to move on, you want to go somewhere else, maybe in profession. Luckily for me, the transition of being a cricketer to commentator became very easy. It doesn't happen with everyone. So I was blessed and lucky. So for me, now obviously in 1 or 2 years, it'll become a decade of me doing commentary. So that transition is very important for people. If that happens, it becomes easier for their life and their sanity as well. But all the sportsmen go through this when they are deciding to retire and they don't see anything in front. They don't see the light end of the tunnel. It becomes very difficult for them. I feel for that. So that's why I believe all the cricketers, when they are playing, all the sportsmen, when they are playing, they need to make sure to always have a plan B. They need to have good investments, or they need to have some sort of profession which is there that can support them for the whole life, because eventually you need good stability in life.
Thank you very much.
No
sir.
problem.
This was Irfan Pathan and his viewpoints about the cricket, the current perspective, and also from the past. You are watching Goa News Hub. Keep watching us.
रास्ता पाऊस मरे
जॉन बाब टायर झाल्या मरे ब्रेक आणि कस लागतले
मुझे पाशी हड्डे झाले इथे
हॉडी चेंज कर मरे
किती
टायर चेंज कर मरे
कोई चेंज केला बरे येच योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस
ओय योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्यूशन एका जाग्यात नवे टायर्स विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी
वाह
मॅगविल्स
वाह
टायर चेंज टायर सर्व्हिस
वाह
नायट्रोजन गॅस व्हील अलाइनमेंट अँड बॅलन्सिंग
अरे वा.
पेपरलेस बिलिंग आणि जायते हे सगळे बेस्ट प्राइस आणि एक्सप्रेस सर्व्हिस
गाडी सारखी बटर आणि सर्व्हिस सारखी फास्ट मरे
फास्ट नो एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल आलेम हायवे मारगांव आणि मग दोतरा घेवत मरे
होय